Hello, good morning, students. Once again, this is your Neha ma'am, and I welcome you to this class. So today we are going to start with the chapter 4, metals and non-metals. Okay, so as we know, we have been studying from childhood that about the metals and non-metals. We can easily differentiate between the metals and non-metals. You know, the thing which produces a strong sound, we tend it to be a metal. Okay, the thing which does not produces a sound. So here we will study about the occurrence of metals and non-metals. That we know that out of the 92 naturally occurring elements, 70 are metals and about 22 are non-metals. Some elements show properties of both metals and non-metals. They are called metalloids. Yes. So metalloids, basically these are those elements which shows the property of both metals as well as non-metals. Only some metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. are found in the free state. Most metals are found in the combined state as oxides, sulfides, carbonates, silicates, etc. Some non-metals are found in the free state like helium, neon, argon, etc. And some are found in free and combined states like sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Free state and combined state here means that normally कुछ metals ऐसे होते हैं जो free state यानी अकेले इंडिविजुअली हम जिसको अंडर द अर्थ ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द मेटल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो नॉर्मली कॉम्पोजिशंस की फॉर्म में यानी किसी और चीज़ किसी और मेटल या एलिमेंट या नॉन मेटल के साथ कंबाइंड स्टेट में पाया जाता है, जिनके बारे में ओड्स वी हैव बीन स्टडिंग अबाउट ओड्स, जिनको एक्सट्रैक्ट करके और वापस से फिर सेपरेट करके एलिमेंट्स को या फिर मेटल्स को ऑब्टेन किया जाता है. Metallurgy, it is the science of extraction of metals from their ores and their purification. Minerals are naturally occurring substances containing one or more elements as their compounds. Ore, it is a mineral from which one or more metals can be extracted profitably. Just now I have told you that most of the metals are found with other metals. So these are called ores, जिनमें से हम अपने required metal को separation technique से obtain करते हैं. Metallurgical processes, there are three main metallurgical processes. First, concentration of the ore, reduction and refining. Concentration of the ore, it is the removal of impurities from the ore. Reduction, the process of obtaining the metal from its compound. Refining, it is the process of purification of the impure metals to obtain a pure metal. Physical properties of metals and non-metals. Metals, of course, are solids. They are generally found in solid form except mercury. Mercury is the one element which is filled inside the thermometers. It cannot bear much more temperature, so it rises very rapidly. That's why it is used in the thermometers. Non-metals, they may exist in solid form, liquid form or gaseous form. Metals are hard except sodium and potassium, etc. Whereas non-metals which are solid are brittle. That means if we have to say any metals are hard means of course we know that metals are solid hard because the particles or the molecules of metals are tightly packed with each other. And non-metals, although non-metals they may be not so hard, but if they are hard then they will be brittle also. Brittle means कि अगर हम उन्हें उनके ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे, हैमर से उन्हें बीट करेंगे तो वो स्मॉल पीसेस में ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएंगे. देयर इज एक्सेप्शन इन नॉन मेटल ऑल्सो. डायमंड, वी नो अबाउट द डायमंड. इट इज़ द हार्डेस्ट substance or element which is present on the surface of earth. It is used to cut other things also. Basically it is used to cut the mirrors and glasses. Metals have luster. Metals are lustrous, means shiny. Metals have a shine in them. Whereas non-metals do not have a luster, they are dull. Metals have very high boiling and melting points, whereas non-metals have low melting points. Metals are malleable, that is that they can be brought into thin sheets. Non-metals are not malleable. Metals are ductile, that is they can be drawn into thin wires when beaten. Non-metals are not ductile. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, whereas non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity, except graphite. Yes, there is also an exception. Graphite is one such non-metal which is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are sonorous, that is they produce strong sound when beaten with something, whereas non-metals are not sonorous. Thank you and have a nice day.